What's the meaning of aseptic? Aseptic. Aseptic.
Aseptic. Aseptic. Aseptic refers to the absence of harmful microorganisms or pathogens that can cause infection or spoilage. The term is commonly used in medicine, food processing, and other industries where maintaining a sterile environment is crucial. Aseptic techniques involve using sterilized tools and equipment, as well as following strict protocols to ensure cleanliness. The result of aseptic procedures is a safe and sterile environment that minimizes the risk of contamination and maintains the integrity of the materials being processed. This helps prevent illness and ensures the quality and safety of products.